Red, red, red it is. We just can't get the ball rolling, it seems. Today we are diving into the crypto market, but especially into Lisk. So if you are a Lisk holder, don't miss this one. Cause I'm gonna make a price prediction for 2021. I'm gonna show you the direction where this coin is going. So despite the redness, roar. Guys, is this too much for you? How much red we can take? Bitcoin is plunging every day, lower and lower. And no, I thought at some point we're gonna recover, but still obviously it's not the time. We are dancing with the devil right now. Or let's put it this way. You are watching Tyrannosaurus Rex right in the eye at this moment. We'll see how this unfolds, but as you can see, everything in the top coins is red. Now follow me to the charts of Lisk. Let me show you what's going on the technicals. Let me show you where this coin is going in the next few months. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present you Lisk versus dollar weekly chart. I absolutely enjoy doing this big time frames, because this is where you get the right feel for the coin that you're researching. Maybe on the daily, 3-day. Below that, no, you can get the right feeling of the overall sentiment about particular crypto. So, without further ado, let's start the analysis and just say that from this point and from the start of this trend line, at the beginning of 2019, Lisk started its bull run. While many coins started their bull runs at this point, March, the absolute bloodbath, the absolute purge. But as you can see, Lisk decided that the end of 2019 was enough. From that point, we only got higher lows. And as you can see, this was our first indication of the bull run to come. Now, since I draw that trend line of support, I will show you now one of the most significant lines in Lisk that was holding him for months, weeks, years even. And I will need to go even more into the past for that to be the right perception. Now I'm asking you, what do you see on the screen? Don't you see the strongest, let's say the strongest resistance in the Lisk that was here for months, as I said, years? This is the middle of 2019. This is the point where Lisk tried to get back on their feet, but it was absolutely no possibility. As well as the beginning of 2020, as well as, again, summer of 2020. What happened here on this candle? Well, I think you're getting it. This was one big symmetrical triangle that was, as I said, unfolding for years. At this point, this big candle broke out of this triangle to the upside. And although we were in an uptrend from this point, at that point, of course, it was not clear to no one that this was a start of the bull. This was a real proof, an indication of the strong bull to come. And we are doing right that. Lisk was unfolding its price action to the upside. Possibly, now it needs to rest. Will it remain that upward trajectory? I believe so. I believe we are going higher. This is not the final touch of Lisk. This is just a pit stop, let's say. Also, please notice that at this point of breakout, we've had the biggest volume ever. In here, nothing was happening with the volume. People were not interested in Lisk. Here, the interest came, and from that point on, we had a rising volume until this skyscraper that was obviously the point of big profit taking. For now, our local top. And yes, we could be in for some more weeks into this consolidation phase, into this redness or boringness, let's say. We'll see if we go down even lower, if we go sideways. Just remember, nothing is intact, we're good. This option is open, this also, but yeah, we should give a slight possibility to this one also. You should never disregard any perspectives that you have, or let me put it, that you don't have. If you are bullish biased, always think about the bear. What would he do right now? Is it possible that he come right of the woods charging at you? And the answer is yes, it's always possible that bear do that. Just to show you my point, and the biggest indicator that I'm using in my technical analysis are moving averages. I think they're super simple, easy to understand, and giving us the right picture. And what you should be noticing about this moving average is this. This right here is the most important thing about the Lisk right now. We touched and retraced to the very important zone, and that is the 21 exponential moving average. So one more time, we are now standing at $5.89, and the 21 weekly moving average, which is clearly respected, is standing at $4.45. If right now Lisk decides to retrace to that levels, you shouldn't be worried at all. It will be completely normal, follow bull trend. If we go below it and break other moving averages, for example 34, and decides to do this, then yeah, we can say that we are in trouble, that this bull run is in jeopardy of becoming a bear. For now, that is not the case. Those are just retracement in a clear bull. So my bias, despite its redness, it's still bullish. And now, let me make that price prediction. Let me just show you where we are currently in the cycle of Lisk. The short answer is, we got a lot of work in front of us, as right here, at that resistance at $8.35, if we go into this bear market, well, we haven't even touched our bull market top of 2017. So this is our first target. First, we gotta conquer those levels. And I believe in the next few months, Lisk will do that. Now, this video got the price predictions above the levels of $33, not below it. Maybe that is a topic for another video. Now, when we get to that famous top of 2017, which was standing at $38, then the new levels await. Now, we will do a simple technique that my subscribers already know what we're gonna do. Fibonacci retracement tool, reverse it, and getting Fibonacci extensions. So let's connect this top with this bottom, and voila! Here it is. The targets are here. You're not seeing it, but they are on the screen. All we have to do is travel into the future. Here we are, the future unraveled in front of your eyes. People, as I already said, this is the local top, 2070 bear market. Not local, the all-time high that Lisk ever touched, $39. And yeah, just a minute ago I said 38, 37. Doesn't matter, because detailed prices are not concern of us, okay? When we skyrocket above the $40, I'm telling you right now that Lisk is going, and the next extension of 161.8 at $63. 261.8 is standing at $102, so yes, we're gonna break $100. The extension of 261.8 is standing at $140. And the final point that I'm gonna give you today is the extension of 423.6%, $165. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, $165. To be exact, 164.81, but who want to be exact? Those levels are not important. As I always said, at the peak of the bull market, expect an overperformance. Expect Lisk to touch 165 and then do more. But the levels of humans' greed are not to discuss here. Those are pure facts. 165. When we get to that point, then ask me what will happen next. Okay? Good. And now, please do continue watch other videos of mine, because I'm doing all sorts of price predictions for all sorts of coins in the crypto space. So please join us and let's travel to the moon.